Lean Sigma in food manufacturing. My name is Felicia Liu, and we help food business manage and optimize their business operations. Today, we're going to explore how Lean Sigma principles can revolutionize your food production process and share practical steps on how to get started. Join me as we uncover the secrets to enhancing efficiency and quality in your food production operations. What is Lean Sigma, and how can it benefit food production? Lean Sigma combines the principles of lean manufacturing and Six Sigma to optimize processes, reduce waste, and improve product quality. Overview of Lean Sigma principles. Lean Sigma is built on 5 key principles: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. These principles guide you through a systematic process of identifying and eliminating inefficiencies in your food production operations. Streamline processes, reduce errors, and increase productivity. The first step in Lean Sigma is to clearly define your goals and set metrics to measure progress. By establishing specific objectives and key performance indicators, you can track your food production process's performance and identify areas for improvement. Measuring and analyzing data are essential steps in Lean Sigma to identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and waste in your food production process. By collecting and analyzing data, you gain valuable insights into your operations and can make informed decisions to drive continuous improvement. Improving processes and implementing solutions to address identified issues are crucial steps in Lean Sigma. By involving your team, implementing best practices, and continuously monitoring performance, you can drive sustainable improvements and ensure consistent quality in your food production operations. Ready to kickstart your Lean Sigma journey in food production? Start by training your team on Lean Sigma principles, mapping out your current processes, and conducting a value stream analysis to identify opportunities for improvement. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are key to achieving success with Lean Sigma. I'd love to hear from you. How have you implemented Lean Sigma in your food production operations? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation and inspire each other to optimize our food production processes. Thank you for joining me today on our exploration of Lean Sigma in food production. Like, share, and follow. Stay tuned for more food production insights and tips.